Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another round of vocabulary with me Anmol in association with Mark Tutorial. Today we're doing एक letter से start होने वाले advanced words 50 without any further delay. Let's get right into it. Abate, कम करना. The storm began to abate after several hours of heavy rain. Abdicate, त्याग करना. The king decided to abdicate the throne in favor of his son. Aberration, vigilant. His sudden outburst was an aberration from his usually calm demeanor. Abet, uksana. He was charged with abetting the criminals in their illegal activities. Abhor, घृणा करना. She abhors the idea of animal cruelty and actively participates in campaigns against it. Abjure, त्यागना. After much reflection, he decided to abjure his former political affiliations. Abnegation, आत्मनियंत्रण. His life of abnegation inspired many to live more selflessly. Abrogate, रद्द करना. The government decided to abrogate the outdated law. Abscond, भागना. The thief absconded with the stolen money before anyone could catch him. Abstemious, संयमित. He led an abstemious lifestyle, avoiding excess food and drink. Abstruse, ghoul. The professor's explanation was so abstruse that most students couldn't follow. Accede, सहमति देना. The company finally acceded to the union's demands after months of negotiation. Accentuate, उजागर करना. The bright colors of the painting really accentuate its beauty. Acclimate, अनुकूलित करना. It took some time for the new employees to acclimate to the fast-paced working environment. Accolade, सम्मान. She received many accolades for her contributions to the community. The accretion, संचय, the accretion of wealth over the years made him one of the richest men in the country. Acumen, kushalta, his business acumen helped him build a successful empire. Adamant, adig, she was adamant about not going to the party. Adjudicate, nirnay karna, the court will adjudicate the matter next week. Adjunct, sahayak, the university hired a new adjunct professor for the semester. Admonish, chetavani dena, the teacher admonished the students for not completing their homework. Adroit, nipun, he's an adroit negotiator who can handle complex situations. Adulation, abhari, Prashansa, the actor received adulation for his fans after the film's success. Adumbrate, Sanket Dena, the artist only adumbrated the design, leaving the details to be filled in later. Adversary, Pratidwandi, the team defeated the strongest adversary in the final match. Advocate, Vakil, Samarthan Karna, she advocates for animal rights and regularly participates in protests. Aesthetic, Saundarya Shastra, the gallery is known for its aesthetic appeal and contemporary art pieces. Affable, Soumya, he's an affable person who makes everyone feel comfortable. Affinity, Asakti, she has a strong affinity for classical music and attends concerts regularly. Affliction, Kast, his family provided him with support during their affliction. Aggregate, Kul, ya jodna, the aggregate score of the two teams was tied. Alacrity, Tatparta, she accepted the invitation with alacrity. Alias, Upnam, the spy used an alias to hide his real identity. Allegory, Rupak, the novel is an allegory about the dangers of totalitarianism. Allocate, Avantit Karna, the manager will allocate tasks to each team member. Allude, Sanket Karna, he alluded to the fact that the company was in financial trouble. Altruistic, Parupkari, his altruistic actions have earned him respect in the community. Ameliorate, Sudharna, the government is trying to ameliorate the economic conditions. Amicable, Maitripurna, they had an amicable conversation and resolved their differences. Amorphous, Nirakar, the cloud had an amorphous shape, constantly changing. Anachronistic, Kal Bahaya, the use of typewriters in today's offices seems anachronistic. Anathema, Sharp, his actions were anathema to the values of the community. Anecdote, Kissa, he told an anecdote about his childhood to entertain the guests. Animosity, Shatruta, there was a deep animosity between the two rivals. Anomaly, Asamanyata, the scientists observed an anomaly in the data. Antagonize, Virod Karna, his rude comments antagonized everyone in the meeting. Antediluvian, Prachin, the antediluvian machinery is no longer useful. Antithesis, Virod, his calm demeanor was the antithesis of her energetic personality. Apathetic, Udasin, his apathetic response to the news surprised everyone. Apocryphal, Sandigd, the story he told seemed apocryphal and untrue. That's that with A. We'll start with B. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.